Today we face big environmental challenges. Cities are growing in unsustainable ways, resulting in increased air pollution and heat stress. Ecosystems suffer, and we are constantly reducing our clean soil and water. We are trying a different approach, using nature itself to tackle these problems. We call these, quite simply, nature-based solutions. Nature-based solutions make our environment more resilient to climate change and bring nature back into our cities. It's about building with nature instead of building in nature. The result? A future-proof natural world, healthier and happier cities, much better use of natural resources, and reduced disaster risk. The ThinkNature Project is an online platform with examples of nature-based solutions. Here, you can interact and exchange ideas and solutions with other people working on the same challenges. Interested? Then jump on board and join the platform.